Today I'm going to be talking about what I picked out for Father's Day this year, but you can use it for any occasion like birthdays, mainly for like guys or daddies who like tools and stuff. So we're going to get into that. Okay, so first of all, so say that your dad was having trouble with his vision, but he still likes to go into the garage or measure things, do things around the house. We have this. It says Comelon LED lighted. It has a USB charger cable included, and it is a, what is this thing? Oh, I don't know why it doesn't say it on the package, but it's a tape measure. Like, because I see my boyfriend using this all the time. Okay, we got this to start off with. The prices are in the description box. I'm not exactly sure, but it was Amazon haul and it was not expensive. Next, we have something that I think is really cool. It's by DeWalt, and they say that this saw can cut through a lot of different material, and that is why I picked it out. Ceramic, wood, plexiglass, all different kind of stuff. So that is the reason why I picked out this DeWalt saw. Now it says something about lithium ion. I'm not exactly sure what all that means. It is a brushless saw, and it tells you on here how much dimensional lumber it cuts through. I don't really know about that, but the reason why I got it is because it had a lot of good reviews, and you know that DeWalt name brand is a good name brand, so of course we're going to get that. So of course I noticed with my boyfriend that he had trouble keeping up with his nails, and when he was hammering, sawing, and he just had a lot of trouble. So I thought about this magnetic wristband. Now this was super cheap. Right here it goes onto their hand, and it will hold your nails so you can work and just find your tools really quickly. We have one more thing. We have a wall pegboard. Now this is going to be mounted in the garage. Of course, he's going to have to mount this himself. You can kind of see what it is. We'll put up a video later about it, but it is a metal pegboard. And what you do is put the little pegs on it, which I can't open it. And that way he can hang up his tools and his saws. I'll show you what he has up now. It is something that he did on his own with like pieces of wood. But this wall metal organization kit, I think, is really going to be better and more organized. Okay, you guys, this is the garage. He really keeps it disorganized, in my opinion. This is an old vacuum I'm trying to get rid of. I don't know why he's keeping it. This is a part off of an old truck he's working on. He actually 3D printed these fishing poles, which he is not an avid fisherman. I'm not exactly sure why he's still keeping the poles. This again is something he fashioned himself, so that metal organizer will really fit in good. He has a hose hanging on that. All right, let's go over. I'm thinking the metal board, pegboard will go right about here. This is the organization unit he made himself out of wood. I mean, he really keeps it overcrowded and messy, so that's why I think it is a good idea for the gifts I picked out. He has a really cheap tape measure, and the one I picked out I think is going to be a really great addition to his collection, and he loves lights, so that would really help. But getting that metal pegboard up, I hope to put up in a future video so you guys can see, to try to get some of this clutter down. Extremely cluttered and just like extremely dangerous, like in my opinion, the way he has it set up here. More fishing supply, and he has several toolboxes, unknown origin. You know, he just has kind of like a mess going on here. So we really want to get it more organized for him, since his main, you know, thing is dealing with these tools, and that is his like favorite thing. He'll spend like 12 hours out here. All right, see you guys later.